Planning a potluck can be stressful, especially in English. But don't worry, today you'll hear a real workplace conversation that makes it simple.
Hey Maya, how's the party planning going?
I'm stressed.
What's wrong?
I sent the email yesterday about the potluck.
Good. What did people say?
That's the problem. 15 people replied.
That's great.
No, Rachel. 15 people all bringing dessert.
Oh no.
Yes, cookies, brownies, cake, pie. One person is bringing 3 kinds of candy.
Okay, we need a plan.
I don't know how to organize this.
How many people are coming total?
About 40.
And when is the party?
Next Friday, lunchtime, 12 to 1.
That's a good time. People can relax during lunch.
But what about the food? 40 people and 15 desserts.
You're right. We need different kinds of food.
How do I get different kinds?
Make categories like main dishes, side dishes, desserts, drinks.
Categories?
Yeah, different groups of food. That way you get balance.
Oh, so I organize by type?
Exactly.
But how do I tell people what to bring? I don't want to be bossy.
You're not bossy. You're organized. People like that.
Really?
Yes. Last month, nobody organized anything. We had 7 bags of chips and nothing else.
7 bags?
All the same flavor. Plain. We had to order pizza. It was embarrassing.
Okay, I don't want that.
So let's make a sign-up sheet. People write their names and what they're bringing.
Should I make it on paper or online?
Online is easier. Use a shared document. Everyone can see what others are bringing.
That's smart. Then we don't get 2 of the same thing.
Exactly.
I'll make it today.
Good. Put categories on it. For 40 people, maybe 8 main dishes, 6 side dishes, 5 desserts, and 4 drinks.
That's a lot.
People eat a lot at parties.
Okay.
Oh, and don't worry if people bring store-bought food. Some people are busy. Homemade or store-bought, both are fine.
Good to know. I was worried about that. I have another question.
Sure.
What about people with food allergies?
That's important. Did you ask about that in your email?
No. Should I?
Yes, some people can't eat wheat, milk, or nuts.
This is getting complicated.
I know, but you want everyone to enjoy the food, right?
Of course.
Ask people to write the ingredients on the sign-up sheet.
And people will write it?
Most will. And for people with allergies, it helps a lot.
What if someone forgets?
They can write it on a card next to their food at the party.
Like labels?
Exactly. We did that last time. It worked well.
Okay. What else should I know?
Vegetarian options. Some people don't eat meat.
Right.
And some people are vegan. That means no meat, no milk, no eggs, no cheese. Nothing from animals.
So I need both?
At least a few of each. Make sure people write it on the labels.
This list is getting long.
Once you set it up, it's easy. People just follow the system.
I hope so.
Also, encourage cultural foods. Different food from different countries.
Like Chinese food, Mexican food, Indian food.
Yes. Our office has people from many countries. It's fun to try new foods.
I want to bring samosas.
Perfect. People will love that.
But what if people don't know what it is?
Put a little card with information. Like samosas, Indian pastries with potatoes and peas.
That's helpful.
Oh, and tell people how much food to bring.
How much?
Say enough for 6 to 8 people.
That's helpful.
Otherwise, someone brings a tiny amount for 40 people. A few months ago, someone brought 1 small bowl of potato salad for everyone.
For 40 people?
It was gone in 2 minutes.
Okay, I'll write the amount on the sheet. What about timing? When should people bring the food?
Good question. Tell people to bring cold food or food that's good at room temperature.
Room temperature?
Yeah, not hot, not cold, just normal temperature.
Like a sandwich?
Exactly. Pasta salad, sandwiches, cheese, fruit, things like that.
That makes sense. We don't have a big kitchen anyway.
Right. And tell people to bring serving utensils, big spoons for serving,
People forget those.
all the time. Then everyone uses random spoons from the break room.
I'll write that down.
And ask someone to bring extra plates and napkins.
We have paper plates, right?
We do, but not enough. And you always need more napkins than you think. Food is messy.
Okay, more napkins.
One more tip. Send a reminder email the day before.
That's smart.
And put your phone number in the email. If someone has a problem, they can call you.
Like what kind of problem?
Maybe they're sick and can't come. Or they forgot to make their food. Then you know, and you can adjust the plan.
Good idea.
You're going to do great, Maya.
I hope so. This is my first time.
Everyone's first time is hard, but you're organized and asking good questions. You'll be fine.
Thanks, Rachel. I really appreciate your help.
Anytime. That's what coworkers are for.
Maya started stressed. She didn't know what to do. Then she talked to Rachel. One conversation. That's all it took. Planning a potluck can be stressful, especially in a new country. But asking for help makes everything easier. Listen to how they spoke. Simple words, short questions, real help. That's workplace English. You don't need perfect grammar. You need the confidence to ask. This is why practicing conversations like this matters. When you know what to say, you feel prepared. When you feel prepared, you speak up. And when you speak up, you build real workplace confidence. Maya didn't change because her English was perfect. She changed because she used her English. You can do this too. Here's your practice. Next time you need help at work, ask one simple question. Can you help me? Or, what should I do? That's it. Now say this mantra with me. I ask questions. I get help. I build confidence. One more time. I ask questions. I get help. I build confidence. If this episode helped you, like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend learning English for work. I'm PJ. You're building real English skills right now. Until next time, keep practicing.